Now we solve the problems. The first problem is the points minus 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3 and 7, 0, minus 1 form option A, an isosceles triangle, option B, collinear points, option C, a right angle triangle, option D, none of this. Now let us check which option is correct. So for this, first we find the distance between these 2 points. Let us consider A is equals to minus 2, 3, 5. B is equals to 1, 2, 3. And C is equals to 7, 0, minus 1. Then find the distance between A and B first. AB is equals to square root of, we know the distance between 2 points is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So write here that here x2 is 1, x2 minus x1 is minus 2, minus of minus plus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 2 minus 3 whole square plus z2 minus z1, 3 minus 5 whole square. That equals to 1 plus 2, 3 square, 9. 2 minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 1. 3 minus 5 minus 2 whole square plus 4. So it is root 14. Then BC length. Distance between B and C, find now. Now B and C, we'll take it is x2 and it is x1. So x2 minus x1, 7 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 0 minus 2 whole square plus z2 minus z1, minus 1 minus 3 whole square. That equals to 7 minus 1, 6 square, 36 plus 0 minus 2 whole square, that is 4 plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 whole square, 16. So this one is 56. How can we write 56? 14 fours are. 14 fours are means root 4 is 2. 2 root 14. Next, distance between A and C. So I will find now A and C distance. So A and C is x2 minus x1 whole square. So 7 minus of minus 2. 9 square is 81 plus 0 minus 3 whole square, that is 9. Next minus 1 minus 5, that is minus 6, 36. It is 81 plus 9, 90, 90 plus 36, 126. So 126, how can we write? 14 fours are. 14 nines are. 14 nines are. That is 3 root 14. Now observe root 14, 2 root 14, 3 root 14. If we add these two, we get this one. So what is this one? AB. AB plus, what is this 2 root 14? BC. AB plus BC. AB is what? Root 14 plus BC. 2 root 14, that is 3 root 14, that equals to AC. So what is the condition for collinear? 3 points lie on the same line, that is this AB plus BC is equals to AC. So the option is collinear points. Second question is, if the points A, B, C, D are collinear and C, D divide AB in the ratios 2:3, minus 2:3 respectively, then the ratio in which A divides CD is. So we need to find A divides CD. A divides CD is. So at this condition we have one formula, that is n minus m is to n plus m. Now, what is the ratio here? 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3 ratio. That is, you consider like m is to n. M is 2 and n is 3. So, write this values in this. N minus m. N is how much? 3. 3 minus m is how much? 2 is to n is 3. 3 plus 2. So, the answer is 1 is to 5. Option D is correct. Third question is, if the extremities of a diagonal of a square 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 and 2 comma minus 3 comma 5, then the length of its side is. So to find the length of its side for a square, the formula is x is equals to d by root 2. This x is length of its side. How can we find this d? D is the length of diagonal. So they given here diagonal points. These two are diagonal points. Now find the distance between these two, we get d. D is equals to square root of distance between 2 points. x2 minus x1, 2 minus 1 whole square, 1 square, plus minus 3 minus of minus 2, minus 1 whole square, again 1 square, plus 5 minus 3, that is 2 square. So 1 plus 1 plus 4, root 6. What is the d value? Root 6 by root 2. What is the answer? Root 3. Check the option. Root 3. Option B is correct.